Sally. Let's go over there and look. Go and look. Go look.
Yeah, we're gonna pet them.
Oh, there they are. Oh, they're playing. Hi, Sally. Let's go say hi to Sally first. Hi, good mama. Hi. Can we give her some? Can we give her some food? Grains? Hi. Your babies are so cute. Your babies are so cute. Okay. Thank you for helping me, John. I'm with you. What do you think, guys? Oh.
Come on over and you guys sit down in the straw.